Hello guys, welcome to another video today. I'm going to be showing you how to make your own ringtone and make as many as you want. First, you have to have screen recording on your iPad or phone. As I'm using it right now, if you have screen recording on your device, skip this part. If you don't stay here, I'm gonna show you how to get it. It will look like this when you're recording. Okay, so first, up here as I think you know, right here is my screen recording. Press the pluses. Press Add Control. Go to the search bar and search screen recording. Then add it wherever, then go to YouTube and pick any song you would like and press screen record and it will have a countdown. I already recorded mine. Go to the video you picked. Go to the share button. Press Add to Files. Press Save. Go to GarageBand. Press Create Song. Press Audio Recorder. Go to the little brick stack. Go to the swirly thingy. Go to Files. Go to Browse Items from the Files app. This is the hard part. I have to 𝓻𝓲𝓷𝓰𝓽𝓸𝓷𝓮. So I just found out I forget a step. Go to Safari. Type audio 𝓻𝓲𝓷𝓮 or .net. Click. Make sure it's on iPhone ringtone and make sure to press open video and make sure our song is on photo library. Okay guys, I just found out. It should be all the way at the top. Finally. Yui. Long tap this, then drag it. See if it works. If it sounds like that it worked, press this. Long tap the song you made. Press share. Press ringtone. Name your song and make sure it's on your ringtones and then export. Go on Settings. Sounds, and it should be there.